was a sunny morning at Rainbow Elementary School. Students were laughing, playing, and talking about their summer holidays. But near the school gate, a quiet boy stood alone. His name was Adam. It was his first day at his new school. He wore simple clothes, carried an old backpack, and kept his head down as he walked through the hallway.
Look at his shoes.
Yeah, they're so old.
Adam heard them, but said nothing. He just kept walking. During lunch, everyone sat in groups, except Adam. He sat alone at the corner table, quietly opening his lunchbox.
What are you eating? That looks weird.
It's just my mom's cooking.
Later that day, the teacher announced an art activity.
Everyone, draw something that makes you happy.
Adam took out his pencils and began drawing silently. When time was up, the teacher asked everyone to show their drawings. Most kids drew flowers, the beach, or their pets. But Adam's drawing was different.
Adam, would you like to tell us about your picture?
It's me and my dad. Before he got sick, we used to draw together every weekend.
No one had known that Adam's father had passed away just a few months earlier. His mother worked very hard, and that's why he didn't have new clothes or fancy lunch.
I didn't know, Adam. I'm really sorry. It's okay. You didn't know.
From that day on, everything started to change. The same kids who laughed before began sitting with Adam at lunch. They talked, played, and even helped him paint during art class.
You're really good at drawing, Adam. Thanks. My dad taught me everything I know.
Remember, every person has a story you cannot see. So before you speak, before you laugh, before you judge, choose kindness, choose understanding, choose love.